How does BlazeRusHoldings registration work? BlazeRusHoldings Reviews can answer directly. Users can create an online account without an initial deposit or payment information. BlazeRusHoldings functions through a web browser, so no additional software installation is required. This browser-based structure allows the platform to be accessed from compatible internet-connected devices. During registration, users are asked to select a cryptocurrency for the account. The website lists Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin as the available choices. The selected cryptocurrency remains connected to the account because BlazeRusHoldings states that this decision cannot be changed later. This makes currency selection one of the most important details to review before registration is completed. Creating the account and funding it are separate stages. No deposit is required to register, while funding becomes necessary when the user is ready to begin making transactions. For users who prioritize connection privacy, the company says VPN and Tor access are allowed. BlazeRusHoldings recommends a stable and fast internet connection because this supports smooth navigation, real-time updates, and consistent access to platform functions. The website also describes several measures used during transactions. These include encryption, protected data transfer protocols, and SSL technology for card payments. If a browser does not support the required security layer, the platform states that instructions will be provided. This creates a clear onboarding sequence. The user accesses the platform in a browser, creates an account without upfront payment details, chooses one supported cryptocurrency, and adds funds later when ready. BlazeRusHoldings Reviews focused on registration should therefore highlight browser access, deposit-free account creation, the permanent cryptocurrency selection, privacy connection options, and the transaction protection features described by the company.